In Tasmania, sheep enjoy freedom of movement the whole year through and are only brought into the shearing hut once a year to get shorn by professional shearers. A shearer will do 200 sheep per day. A good shearer can be recognized by the way he handles the sheep and how easy and fluent the shearing process is carried out, with a steady hand, fluent motion, and, in particular, without stressing the sheep. First, he takes hold of the sheep and takes it to his shearing spot next to the other shearers. From there, he pulls down his shearing machine, which has a broad comb so that the sheep can't be injured. He starts by shearing the belly, then the rear legs and crotch before moving to the throat and head. This is followed by the long blow. One continual movement from rump to the throat during which all the wool on the sides is shorn. Thus the sheep is done and can rejoin the other sheep in the pen that have already been shorn. After the shearing, the wool is thrown onto the sorting table, and a wool classifier checks it for fineness of fiber, length, stability, and fullness before sorting it into the A to E international standard classifications. We only use AA or AAA wools. The sorted wool is then pressed into bales, usually 120 to 200 kilograms in weight. These bales are taken to the wool store, from where it goes to be washed.